Hey guys, welcome to Vesna TV Home. My name is Vesna. Welcome. For today's episode, I am decorating my front porch for a Halloween. So here are my two boxes that I'm using with all the different decorations that I will be putting up on this porch. So right now it's all decorated for fall. So I'm going to be reusing some of these things and also putting in other things. And I forgot that this sign had ho 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 on the one side, not the witches. So put that back and I will be reusing that sign up there because I just have to flip it over for Halloween. So I've got these little cages that I made last year. I can link the video here for my DIY channel. And they've got rats in them, so I'm just going to be hanging them up on this plant hanger. I just have to close them back up with some zip ties, some black zip ties. But they're really cute, and actually they've held up pretty well considering they're just Dollar Tree DIYs. So I'm really happy that I get to use them again this year. This is the second year I've used them, I believe. And so I'm setting those up on the side over here. Normally I use them in the middle kind of my front lawn, but this year I decided to put them over here right by the door so that all of the decor except for the graveyards are more close to the front of the house. I then went and I added this little sign beside my It's October Witches sign with a little ghost. I picked that up at the thrift store. I added one of those Dollar Tree ghosts just to hang up there, but you'll see I move it near the end of the video. I've got my wreath. Now this one I picked up at Home Depot. I did not make it, but it's super cute and I love it. And then I'll be moving that ghost to the shutters and keeping some of the dry hydrangeas there. They're kind of flying all over the place. Every time the wind blows, they fly away. But I'm doing that. And then I'm going to get my husband to help me put up this witch. I like to have her kind of look like she's splattered into the brick. I was going to put her on where the shutters are. Then I decided to put her above the door. And then I decided I'll keep her there, but I don't like the way it looks with the wreath. It kind of looks off. It's not centered, but it's okay. So I just wound up leaving it for now. But he worked really hard to put her up, so then I felt bad taking her down. But he's a superhero. He helps us. As you can see, the little guy was super excited about these decorations, so he's always up for my shenanigans. Once that's up, I go ahead and I attach a little hook to that siding up there so that I can hang up this guy. He's kind of spooky. And he'll be in that little corner there, which again will add to the decorations. And then that's about it for the porch. I've got the cages here, then I'll have that hanging guy there. And I did this a little while ago, so I put the turkey out for Thanksgiving, but then I take that away and I added another pumpkin. I've got the inflatables here. I've got a graveyard here where I'm going to put arms in. So they look like they're coming out like this. And then I've got this in the garden here, little skull, some arms coming out, a beware sign. Like all of this is from the dollar store, so if it goes, it goes. It's actually held up pretty good. It's, the second or third year I've had some of this stuff. So it's doing pretty well. And then the inflatables are great too. My little guy loves them. Actually, both of them love them. So I have those up there as well. And then I have the little witches legs here, so it looks like the witch fell into the planter. I've added the arms into the graves, and these graves were just from pieces of wood that we had, pressure treated wood. My husband cut them into this shape, and I just wrote down rest in peace on them. And now we have little skeleton hands coming out of them. So again, simple but kind of cute. And that's about it for the decorations. So let me just show you my porch again with everything all ready to go in the front lawn there with the inflatables. So this guy's battery operated and he screams. I don't actually know if that's the most appropriate thing to have screaming there, so I turned it off. I don't turn it on for Halloween, but it's a funny screaming noise that he screams. And that's about it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you enjoyed this. And do you decorate for Halloween? What do you do? Do you do lots or do you just do a little bit? I never used to until I had kids, and now that they love it, I love it too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and stay safe.